You're about to see a dramatization of actual facts, in which some of the names have been changed. But the story is true. If it were not true, it would not be believable, for it is surely one of the most bizarre chapters in the history of crime. We may not like to accept the fact that people such as some of those in the story of Helter Skelter exist in our life, and yet they do. And while they do, we cannot say that the story of Helter Skelter is ended.
There is nothing random, everything is certain. Puppets come in tandem, family members hurting. I'm the one that planned them, man behind the curtain. Murder's what I hand them, leave the body squirting. UFOs are landing, agents are diverting. Lack of understanding as they hunt for missing persons. Last man standing, then I start berserking. Maniac in action, ain't no one rehearsing. Should've read the captions, paranormal searching. Ghost ship captain, in the shadows lurking. I'm what happens when evil starts merging. Unleash the kraken, cities are dispersing. Invade your mansion, time to start working. Charles Manson, you're dealing with the worst one. Just imagine what happens when the hearse comes. I'm not laughing and haven't been since verse 1.
These children that come at you with knives, they're your children. You taught them, I didn't teach them. I just tried to help them stand up. The people you call my family were people you didn't want. People alongside the road that their parents had kicked out.
Welcome to Helter Skelter.
Embrace the darkness, mentally unstable. Chopping up a carcass at the kitchen table. Appreciate the heartless, bring some jumper cables. Watch me as I start shit with these record labels. Feeling like the hardest I can and I'm able. Fuck these other artists, give them something fatal. My mind's a thesaurus, words start to mangle. Everyone's a target, never been an angel. Leave my victim screaming, kinda like Kratos. Labeled me a demon, what the fuck do they know? Pain was the reason, slap 'em like Mano. Murder is the season, cut him up like Kano. Greedy and I'm thieving, never had a halo. Ain't nobody leaving till I got they pesos. Villains are deceiving, molded like Play-Doh. Haters stay grieving, I'm evil like Thanos.
It's not going to be long before you all kill yourselves because you're all crazy and you can project it back on me. But I'm only what lives in each and every one of you. My father's a jailhouse. My father's your system. I'm a reflection of you. I'm what you made me.